force that drives this and makes it known. So I want to appreciate the Federal Ministry of Education and Bring It On Africa for this noble idea of taking our education content to the media. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for taking time out of your day. But before that, I would like you to also pick a ball and open it so we'll let everyone know, all the teams know which motion they are going for. Now you shake the balls, pick one, and read it out.
Okay.
And the first one will go for the first round. The second one will go for the second round. Third round. Fourth round.
Okay. So for the first round,
yes.
So this is the ball, and I open. So I can read it out.
Yes, please.
Okay, this house would support the motion to scrap the NYC scheme as a compulsory 1-year service for Nigerian graduates, believing it is a waste of the nation's resources.
Please come again. Show it and then repeat it.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, now you can read it again.
Okay, so I read it. This house would support the motion to scrap the NYSC, National Youth Service Corps scheme, as a compulsory 1-year service for Nigeria graduates, believing it is a waste of the nation's resources.
Okay, can I have it? Thank you. Okay, now can we have the next ball?
Okay, now here's the second. I open it again. Okay. Here it is. And I read, this house believes the establishment of state policing would increase corruption rather than fight insecurity in Nigeria.
Read it one more time.
All right. This house believes the establishment of state policing would increase corruption rather than fight insecurity in Nigeria. Okay.
Okay, can I have it?
All right. Okay. This is the thought. Okay. This house supports the federal government's proposal to replace Nigeria's 6334 education system with a 12-4 model. I take it again. This house supports the federal government's proposal to replace Nigeria's 6334 education system with a 12-4 model. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. There's the fourth. Here it is. This house supports the creation of additional states in Nigeria. I take it again. This house supports the creation of additional states in Nigeria.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're
I'll
welcome.
go through them again and the states, but I would like to, say our goodbye to you. Thank you so much for coming, and I really appreciate it. And we, Niger Education TV, appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, Team Nasarawa and Team Anambra, your motion is this House would support the motion to scrap the NYSC scheme as a compulsory 1-year service for Nigerian graduates, believing it is a waste of the nation's resources. And proposition and opposition, Nasarawa will propose and Anambra will oppose. Nasarawa proposition, Anambra opposition. This House would support the motion to scrap the NYSC scheme as a compulsory 1-year service for Nigerian graduates, believing it is a waste of the nation's resources. Now, the second motion for Team Osun and Team Kaduna. This House believes the establishment of state policing would increase corruption rather than fight insecurity in Nigeria. Kaduna will propose and Osun will oppose. Team Plateau and Team Benue. This House supports the federal government's proposal to replace Nigeria's 6-3-3-4 education system with a 12-4 model. And Plateau will propose, Benue will oppose. Plateau proposition, Benue opposition. Now the last motion for Team Yobe and Team Enugu. This House supports the creation of additional states in Nigeria. This House supports the creation of additional states in Nigeria. Enugu will propose and Yobe will oppose. Enugu proposition, Yobe opposition. Now, whoever makes it from this round, the quarterfinals, will proceed to the semifinals. And whoever makes it to the semifinals will make it to the grand final. There we will crown our winner for the 2025 nationwide inter-secondary school debate competition. The top 3 states of this competition will also qualify automatically for our 2025 international schools debate competition. They will represent Nigeria in debates across the world. Now, remember, all debaters, your debates are going to be live streamed at Niger Education TV. We encourage all team members to maximize their digital media presence, share their live debate links, and help generate thousands of viewers nationwide. Now, whoever wins, remember this is an opportunity, a great opportunity to learn, to grow, and to network. Whatever the outcomes may be, you should stand with your head up high. Stand tall. Congratulations once again to our 8 teams. The journey to the national crown begins now. Thank you and see you at the nationals. I am Maimuna Isa and this is Niger Education TV.
Hey Nigerians, are you ready to embark on an educational journey like no other? To expand your horizon, ignite your curiosity and unleash your full potential beyond classroom? Welcome to Niger Educational TV.
Wait, what is this all about?
Niger Educational TV is not just a channel, it's an initiative brought to you by Bringing on Africa in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Education with a mission to provide inclusive and equitable quality education for all. Whether you're a student looking to enhance your learning or a parent concerned with what your word watch, Niger Educational TV got you covered.
Dive into our fascinating shows like live debates, quiz, documentaries, and lots more, all aligned with the UNESCO agenda.
So why wait? Tune in to Niger Educational TV today by subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms to be entertained.